A shocking new report has set off alarm bells in Moscow and Washington alike. Well, according to Financial Times, the United States has been quietly helping Ukraine strike inside Russia. And let me tell you, not with soldiers or missiles here, but with intelligence. Well, the reports claim that US agencies, they have been sharing satellite images, drone data, and target coordinates that helped Ukraine plan attacks on some of Russia's most critical nuclear facilities, be it oil refineries, be it fuel depots, be it power plants, everything that keeps the Russian war machine keep on running. Now, officially, Washington denies it. US officials insist that they are not really involved in any sort of operation inside Russia, but sources say that American experts are actually guiding Ukraine on when and where to strike, offering data that can make or break a mission. And that's where the story gets more explosive here, because it suggests that while America isn't really firing the drones, it might be programming their flight path. Well, Russia is of course very angry. Moscow has accused NATO and the US of waging a secret war against them, one that crosses red line without crossing borders. Their president, Mr. Vladimir Putin, has gone on record warning that Russia has tolerated such attacks for too long, and that any further escalation will be met with what he calls unpredictable consequences. Now, behind the scenes, Western analysts say that this may be part of a new strategy, a pressure campaign that is designed to make Russia feel the cost of the war on its own soil. Now, by targeting refineries and energy infrastructure, Ukraine is trying to hit Moscow where it hurts the most, their economy. Now, oil exports are Russia's lifeline, right? And every single explosion means billions that are lost in revenue. But you know what? Here's the bigger picture. The so-called shadow war could easily spiral. Each Ukrainian drone strike backed by the US intelligence risks dragging the global powers that are closer to direct confrontation. And as Trump's name surfaces in reports suggesting that he's kind of privately monitoring or influencing this strategy, the world is left wondering that is this really about peace through pressure or the start of something far more dangerous? You know, what's unfolding here right now isn't just a battlefield story that I am narrating. It is a reminder that in today's world, wars aren't just fought with tanks or guns. They are fought with data, they are fought with satellites and strategy too. And this latest revelation proves that the line between support and involvement is getting thinner by every single day.